Anybody now we way, them better more. Anybody now we way, them better more. Anytime we start dance, all the heat them have to more. Anybody now we way, them better more. Clear the way now. Tip on your toe. Do it for me, girl, tip on your toe. Ain't gonna leave you, tip on your toe. Girl, I'm bad. Tip on your baby. Grip it tight and show me side the day. Give me that sexy look the way you're there. Go wind up, brace you and on the wall. Girl, stop it, nice. Now me yes, stop it, nice. Now me yes. Shakira wine. Come me, make she stop, mama. Y'all love for her, mama. She a say she want the turn round. Y'all wine, can turn round. Me knock it like a mama. Girl.
So if you look, we move our shoulders forward, head back. Get it in control like Janet Jack. Get it on the floor, let them know what's happening. How I know you better ask somebody. I've been doing concerts, but touch body. Y'all don't really want it with the young guy Tyler with a flow so spit like sex. A lot of it's so stitch, how the clock don't tick. Keep giving y'all hits like sex or sick. It's the reason why I spit it hard, spit it when I spit it like milk. Gotta get rid of it. These chicks don't pop like me. I'm a festival girl, no compare with me. And heck, none of y'all scaring me. Like what you with your girl, what's bad as me? Yeah, with a flow so sick like twisters, so sweet, look a beat cold like a mistake. Instincts come so smooth like what is it? BKH dub R's like a what is it? Baby, you what you do, see it like that.
Them gyal want the old dagger. She wanted. Yeah. Stop. Brace you one on the wall. Brace you one on the wall. Brace you one on the wall.
That's it. Without in the chorus. Niggas speak. I want to them. Want them to sleep. Because me evil. Darkest night. Want them chasing like them knees. But when boy, they on the freezer free. It's special to the breeze. Youngster not take no leave. Fight them like me. With them one mother lipping like a lipstick war. White man the name like a biscuit war. Tell the frack this is not kids war. Run up in and boy, one car. We know the boy them panicking. Call them hard, so them know the mannequin. Before they start them, since man know clap.
My place and my place. Your place and your place.
It's a dance, a little bit of hip-hop, a little bit of something, a little bit of pop, a little bit of mentor. Man, the whole thing is crab up right now. This thing goes. Thank you all for coming through. Definitely, we're seeing what it's all about to become a dancer at this dance company right now, people. So Sashga wanted to say a special thank you for coming through. And people are going to take a short commercial break, but when we come back, a lot more happening right here. It's all about Sexy P is in the building. And of course, Conscience is in the building right now, of course, representing alongside the big producer, Russian, all right, to the world. So right about now, good evening, and good, definitely wants to big up to everybody on the internet watching us right now, people. Gotta take a short commercial break. Soon come right back. Don't move.